Yes, I'm back on the Camino de Santiago. I was here pretty much a month ago. I was walking with some other pilgrims here on the Camino and we said goodbye here in this spot. Buen camino, pellegrino! I'm back again. I'm gonna do 4 days of intense walking on the Camino de Santiago. Really looking forward, super hyped about it. So yeah, let's walk. So the plan is to get to Logroño. That's gonna be 40 kilometers. Bit ambitious considering it's currently, well, it says 10:29 but it's 11:29. It would take me about 8 hours. We'll see how things progress. I'm just gonna go for it. Right, this is the way. The other time I was waiting for the bus back to Logroño and then I got the train to Bilbao from this stop here, and I seen the pilgrims walking and I felt so sad because I just wanted to keep going. I really miss this landscape, the quiet, the peace. In a minute I need to change. I need to put the long sleeve vest that I bought from Decathlon the other day, 100% merino wool, so that should be very good for the sun. So while we're walking, let me tell you the story how I got here, which was a bit of a nightmare, to be honest with you. I booked a flight about a couple of months ago, before I'd done the other section of the Camino. The flight was from London to Barcelona, overnight stay. I booked myself a hostel near the airport, so that wasn't a problem, a decent price. And the next morning at 7:40 there was a flight to Logroño, so that would have taken me as close as possible, as near Azqueta. So I decided to go for it, thinking that that would be the best option. Unfortunately, yesterday from London the flight was delayed 3 hours. So I got into Barcelona pretty much about 2 a.m. So I said, okay, no problem. Things that happen. I'll go to the hostel, have a few hours sleep. Anyway, Barcelona airport is total chaotic. I mean, you really need to be careful on what bus you go. Bottom line, I went on the wrong bus. The bus was the right one, the direction was wrong. To be honest with you, it's my fault. I should have asked the bus driver just for extra security, but I just assumed that was the correct bus. Let me just change hand here. So I was looking on Google Maps and I'm thinking, I could see it says diversion, so I'm thinking maybe it's taking a different route. Anyway, we're getting further and further and further away from the airport. At the end I went near the bus driver. I think it was too late by then. I said, are we going to this place where the hostel was? He said, no, you need to get off and go to the other side and get the bus that goes the other direction. Bearing in mind, I'd been on the bus for at least half an hour. So, got off the bus, had to wait another 20 minutes in a some part of Barcelona where there was no one at all. I couldn't even ask anyone, nothing. So bus turns up. Eventually, after 45 minutes, I get to the hostel. By then it was 3 a.m. Done my check-in quickly. I said near the hostel, the man at the reception, I said I'll be back in a couple of hours because I've got my flight at 7:40 to Logroño. Anyway, done my check-in, had maybe an hour and a half sleep at most because it was bloody hot in there, and woke up at 5, set the alarm on. I felt pretty much okay, rested. I mean, I'm sure I'm gonna feel it tonight when I get to my hostel. Yeah, so at the end I managed to get a few hours sleep, woke up about 5. I got the metro all the way to the airport, Terminal 1, and luckily this flight was on time. And then from Logroño airport there was a bus that took me all the way to the city centre of Logroño, and from there I got a bus to Estella, yet again changed, and yeah, I got to Azqueta about maybe 11ish, 11:30. Yeah, it's not ideal. I was hoping to get here a bit early in the day, but it is what it is. To be honest with you, the thing that I was worried about more was the weather. And the weather, to be honest with you, is not that hot. It's actually, you get a bit of a breeze. It's not hot like the other time when I came here. The other time it was just brutal, the heat. Today is actually bearable, it's actually pleasant to walk. And bearing in mind, at the moment is 20 minutes past 12, so yeah. So it's fine. It's, you get, as I said, you get a bit of a breeze. It's not that intense heat that really you want to be in the shadow, so yeah. Anyway, this was pretty much the adventure for me to get here. I could have started my Camino from Logroño and gone all the way to Burgos, but part of the way how I do the Camino, there's no shortcuts. As I said before, I'd rather do it all or not do it. So there's a junction here. Time to get my trusted Camino map to see where I need to go. Should be straight on, yeah, just straight on here. Yeah, you need to be very careful, as I said before. You don't want to get the wrong road and then you get lost, and then you find out that you need to do 10-20 kilometers coming back. This is the way. Oh, there's a fountain. Oh, it was a fountain. I've been walking now for nearly an hour. I've hardly seen anyone. I only met one Italian pilgrim. She was from the north of Italy. We had a little chat, but then she realized that I was going very fast, and I think she just wanted to take it easy and just, you know, some people got much time more than me. They just want to take their time, and that's understandable. But me, today, I mean the other days, I'm probably, Los Arcos. Okay, so we're going the right way. For me, I'm a bit stretched with time, and I really would like to get to Belorado. That's my aim. However, I don't know, because potentially I could stop in Los Arcos, and tomorrow I could wake up early, like 4:30. I don't know if I want to do that. I would probably rather go today into Logroño, just chill. I need to go to Decathlon before it shuts, because I want to get my bike. 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 I want because I need to buy one of those Velcro towels. I forgot my one at home. There you go. I knew I forgot something. I always forget something. So let's see how it goes. That's what I'm gonna do. Here we go, Los Arcos. How cool is that? I think we are finally rolling into Los Arcos. Finally. There we go, Los Arcos. Área de descanso. With drinks. Albergue La Fuente, Casa de Austria, 12 euros. I think that will do me for today. So it's a very good albergue, this one, right near the city center. I was gonna try to find something a bit better, to be honest with you, because I'm a bit tired and I wanted to have some decent sleep. But this is very good, and I only paid 8 euros. You got the main church here, which I'm probably gonna go and have a look if it's open. And you know, the staff were so nice. I'm glad I came here, to be honest with you. Let's go and explore a bit Los Arcos.